in this quick video to show you exactly why you might want to sign up your real estate clients on chat leads. So I have this real estate bot template ready that you can practically sell to your clients, but let me just show you how it works. So we present users with a bunch of options at first. If people are looking to sell their listings, obviously people are looking to look at them. So let me go and click on buying. And then we will obviously ask questions for buyers in the real estate market. So let me just select some of these options in random. And you can design these flows from our dashboard, stuff you can do on Chatful as well. So here I have collected all of these inputs that people have given, and I've stored them inside my database. And I can visit the website, I can talk to the sales team, I can view like the interior of each of these houses. I can schedule a tour from this, in which case the sales team will receive an email. And all of this you can kind of do inside from our platform. We have guides ready, and you can collect these inputs, and people and all of these things kind of get stored. So while you can do all of these things on Chatful as well, I believe that there's a simplicity in the way we design our, we have structured these flows that the bot converses with. And in terms of the AI, this is where I believe that it makes a difference. Want to buy an apartment in, okay. So the reason of this is people do not want to give this many information to get the information that they need, right? People don't like to read articles, they have really short attention span. So if you give people that a more natural mechanism to, say, interact with you, the bot is automatically going to be more responsive. Sorry, I think I have connectivity issues. So as you can see over here, the bot automatically kind of understands what it's looking for, and it shows them the apartments that they want. So here's the thing. I'm just going to go and show you, and let me just show the front end here. If you click on apartment 1, it shows you like the listing details of apartment 1. And you can view gallery, you can click on you're interested, and you can actually go inside and see the interiors like I've showed before. But the idea is that I want to buy an apartment in Quay. And go in, and so this is all the list of flows. It's a simple table format. It's a really simple interface. So you go and see apartment 1. All we have over here is if I go inside edit, I have certain like tags like this fits in certain criteria, and you see the location here. We've only entered this location here as excuse me. Let me just refresh. Sorry. So I have entered this location here as Boat Quay, which is the name of the place, of course. But even if I say Quay, it kind of sorts through and gives me the apartments that I want. And if you look at, say, some of the other criteria it's here, it kind of sorts through and gives people the most relevant option, and kind of gives you like a natural interface. Now you're gonna ask me, okay, shut up, sounds great, but I know Chatful kind of gives this to me at a cheaper price. What's the difference? Okay, so let me show you how that works. So Chatful kind of works in a similar interface. This is their AI offerings. And you can integrate this with Dialogflow, and which is like an external service provided by Google. But this is at core what Chatful's AI looks like. Basically, if people say something similar to this, they respond with this. If people say something similar to this, they respond with this. So the limitation of this is, in the real estate use case for realtors, imagine someone who has to link, who wants to list their properties inside the bot, and they have, say, multiple properties in, say, Alexandra Road or Don Baru or Queenstown, right? The moment you enter Queenstown and try to connect it with multiple blocks, their AI will kind of like not function properly because they do not support showing people a list of relevant responses the way we do here. So that's kind of the way we focus on making chatbots more natural. And in fact, I'll send an article where you can study where what I mean when I say this. So the idea is people can come to your bot and they can click and they can navigate this way. The bot will collect all the information, it's send it to a spreadsheet, and it's going to be stored there for like for a while. It's going to be stored there for people to review and reporting and stuff like that. But on our bot, people can come in and just type complex inputs like this, which is not just about tracking keywords and responding with the block. The chat flow, the most you can do is say, if someone says apartment, respond with this. You can't really show them properties. You can't show them the information that they really want. So, but we can do that. If you have apartment in Quay, so if you even say, I am looking for an apartment, or even if you say flat, right? Even if you say flat, it's going to show you. And we have actually tagged this in the 100 to 300 region. So we are actually giving people really relevant responses in the bot itself. Yeah, so that pretty much summarizes why our bots are better. We have this thing that is ready as a template. You can just plug in with your client's information and their listings, and it's going to be good to go. You can even pull in data from their CRM if they have it. And obviously, if you guys think this is something that's different and exciting, I'm going to set up a demo account for you. And I'm going to set up this bot as a dummy bot in that template as well, so you can see exactly how we have structured everything and kind of play around with it and see which one makes more sense. Looking forward to work with you guys, and definitely, even if you don't have the opportunity to work together, I would really appreciate the feedback and you might have, and hope you have a successful relationship, and I hope you can sell some great chatbots to your clients.